guys, so it's me, Kiana. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some brand new products that I got my little fingers on from Estee Lauder. And isn't this bag super duper cute? Now, you probably have not seen a bag like that before, you know what? And don't worry about it because the products did not come in that bag, but a lot of them did come in prototype boxes, which means they're brand new to the US. Some of them which you probably have not seen before as you peruse the Estee Lauder counters in your neck of the woods. So, you know what? I felt since I got them in my possession, it was only fair to share, right? Without further ado, if you want to see some of the new products that I got my hands on from Estee Lauder, just keep on watching. So I have my little notes here, which means that this one is going to be a little bit intense because a lot of the products that I'm going to be showing you, I wasn't even able to pull them up on Google or the Estee Lauder website. So, got me really curious. Big thanks to Gregory Lawrence, one of my makeup besties out of New York. He is a national makeup artist with Estee Lauder. It's just like I always mention to you guys, when you see a need for something, consult a professional. So, big thanks to you guys if you think that I'm your professional. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is the new Erin. This is Eclat David. And basically that is a body cream. This is by Erin, who is the granddaughter of Estee Lauder. And Estee Lauder is really known for creating luxurious fragrances. And let me tell you, this cream, I'm wearing it right now. You can tell that this cream is super duper thick. Like, you're going to get all of the hydrating yumminess of a cream and you get the scent of a perfume. The scent is super duper lightweight. It smells very green, you know, something that smells super duper fresh. It is a limited edition product, so I received that. Next up, you probably have seen this if you have gone by Estee Lauder counter. It has been out for a little while. This is the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Global Anti-Aging Wake Up Balm. So what would that mean to you? This will be considered more of a lightweight moisturizer, and my hands are clean, so I'm going to show you what this does. So you can see that I'm dry on this hand, and this one is automatically giving me hydration. Great for sensitive skin. It's a lightweight moisturizer, but it has a lot of luminosity to it. I find this amazing when you mix it in with your foundation. I do also like to sometimes put this on top of my foundation if I'm wearing one that's matte, and it gives you more of that glowiness to the skin in targeted areas, i.e. Wake Up Balm. Of course, you can't ever deny the packaging that comes from Estee Lauder because they want you to use the product. So, I mean, doesn't this just remind you of something that you would find in a spa? Super duper luxurious. And yeah, I'm excited to have this in my possession. Next, let's move into something fun. I do have 4 new lipsticks from Estee Lauder. I'm actually wearing one right now, but I did put a chocolate lip liner on top. But these are lip paints by Estee Lauder. This one right here is called Flash It. I love colors like this. They are more like an orchid color. And look at that one swatch. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I think it gives you all the brightness of a beautiful blue pink. Makes your teeth look a little bit whiter, as Greg and I were talking about. And you know what? This formulation just wears really nice. Like I said, I do have a lip liner on, so you might not be able to tell it as good. Although I am wearing that over top a chocolate liquid matte. I call it a lip liner, but it's a liquid matte. I like to put lipsticks like this on top of mattes because it gives them a little bit more hold. It does absorb a little bit of the color, so you could wear it very flashy this way as is intended, or if you want to customize it like that, it wears very nice, super duper slick, gives you a nice vinyl shine without the stickiness and the dragging of a lip gloss. Next up, we have this shade, which is called Wicked Scream, and I have really been obsessing over colors this summer. And can you see that one? It's giving you the intensity of a reddish brown. I think this one would be perfect transitioning into fall because it's not going to be so super duper red, but it's just the right balance. Especially with me wearing my hair really dark, I've really been into wearing bold colors such as this, and you can see that it's hanging on to the luster. So this one is called Controversial. So this one has a little bit more coral, so a little bit stronger. This one has a little bit more brown, and of course this one has a little bit more pink. Obsessed over that color, and I love how it just looks so intense with one swatch. And last up, for those of you that are lip gloss girls, like my comments girls, this is a beautiful way to apply an amazing sheen of color. Greg and I both agree that these colors like this are like some of our favorites. And can you see that that's like the perfect nude? To me, that one looks like a beautiful, like a bridal nude, or if you're going to the office and you just want a little something, not something you have to worry about if it's going to bleed outside of the line. I absolutely love this color, and her name is Shameless Glow. Next, let's move into another category that I absolutely love, and that would be the new eyeshadow paints by Estee Lauder. So I was gifted 3 of them. You can see there's a beautiful blue, a beautiful amethyst purple color, and this one being kind of a greenish gray. And you know what, I might as well swatch them. This blue one, I'm obsessed with any of the blues. One swatch, can you see that? You can totally see how that's going to help you create a perfect smoky eye, or if you want to actually use that as an eyeshadow primer. But you can totally see how that's going to be perfect to help you create the perfect smoky eye. It dries super duper fast, but it gives you just enough time that you can blend it out if necessary. I love putting colors like this underneath powder eyeshadows because they do allow them to bond a little bit better, and you already have to jump off with the intensity. So this color is called Midnight Fury. It's just so cute. It's giving you reflex. I love that. The amethyst color, her name is Mood. Beautiful purple, which if you didn't know, any of the purples are great when you have brown eyes. It makes them more intense. If I put this one on my eyes, it's going to make them go even more milky, kind of more to the hazel side. I love a good purple eyeshadow. When I say it's probably one of the most versatile colors on eyes, blue eyes, green eyes, brown eyes. It's definitely one of those that anyone can wear. Super obsessed with that. Her name again is Mood. And the last one that I received, her name is Jaded. And you can kind of see that it kind of has kind of a greenish blue reflex. It just depends on how you apply it. So let's see if we have any more wrist space. And that one is Jaded. You can clearly see the difference between Jaded and Midnight Fury. Like, I definitely think the names are representative of how they offset on skin. I love these. With the exception, I did try to use it in my inner waterline because I like to use gel liners there. This one did not agree, so make sure you keep it out of the eye. But as far as wearability and holdability, definitely on point. Next, I ended up with a new container of the Estee Lauder. This is the Sumptuous Knockout Mascara. It's defined as a defining, lifting, and fan mascara. And I'll tell you what makes this mascara super duper amazing. And it's totally the brush. So if you have problems accessing those lashes that are barely there, the way that these bristles are designed, you can grab each one. And as far as proper technique when you're applying mascara, especially when you're working on the top, you're going to wiggle from the lash line up, and then you're going to pull out toward the ear on the outer V, up toward the eyelid in the middle, and then in toward the nose when you're working with the inner V. So that way you end up getting that perfect fan flare. And the way the bristles are designed, you can definitely access this lower lash line. And did I mention how black this mascara is? Like, absolutely perfectly matching to my falsies. It gives me super duper intensity. So super amazed, and you can see what just happened just with me layering it. It gives me a lot more dimension on those lashes. So excited to be getting a new one of those. Let's go ahead and talk about some products that have not launched yet. And look at the container. Doesn't that just scream spa and that you need it? This is the Nutritious. It's the Superpomegranate Radiant Energy Night Cream / Mask. So this product is designed for you to use it at night as a good moisturizer, or it is thick enough that if you leave it on, it does penetrate into the skin as a mask. Now, I don't know about you all, but I love products like this because I don't have to wash them off. Like, I feel like I'm nourishing the skin, and when I wake up in the morning, my skin is already prepped and ready to go. This product has not launched in the US yet, but it is in China. And this one is totally designed as an anti-aging product because it makes the skin stronger, more firm, and brighter. And those keywords, I'm in it. Make sure you follow me on my social media so I can give you guys brief updates of how this product works. And you know what? Let's just go ahead and open it up. Oh my God. Oh my God, that scent, you guys, so nice. Oh my God, the scent. And again, you're getting a super duper hydrating cream mask. So I'm excited. I'm going to try this one tonight. This is the sister product, which is the eye cream. And I've already been dabbing in this product. And I'm just going to show you guys how beautiful it looks. Doesn't it just look like a gel? I love it because it gives me the most radiance that you could possibly want underneath the eye, which means I'm going to have a lot of hydration there. And this product is totally designed to depuff, remove fine lines, wrinkles, again, all of those adjectives that this product is designed to do. I'm in it. Again, this product has not launched in the US, but again, stay tuned to my social media so we can see how these products are working in conjunction with my makeup routine, okay? Another brand new product at Estee Lauder. This is the Nutritious Microalgae Pore Minimizing Hydration Lotion. I love what Greg said when he offered me this product. He knows that I love the Pore Minimizing Serum by Estee Lauder, which is idealist. So anything that's going to give me hydration and also shrink the appearance of pore size, I am so into that. And the greatest thing, this one is in a moisturizing form. Again, perfect for this time of the year. It's super duper hot here in the south, so whereas I need the hydration, I don't want the heaviness of a cream's offer to the skin. So this has been a nice balance. You can tell that I've already started using this one and we're getting along just fine. One of the sister products to the Advanced Night Repair is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Serum. Some people like using a gel, some people like using a serum. I like to use both because we definitely want to target the puffiness around the eye area. This product is super duper creamy, and best of all, you can use this in combination with a concealer. So whereas the other one is probably a little bit more sticky, the Nutritious one, this product you can find in the US, you can find this one online, and it works great when you're mixing in a concealer that's really heavy, that you want to kind of thin it out a little bit and make sure that it doesn't go crepey by midday. This product I definitely would recommend. I've used this one for several years now, but it never hurts to get a brand new container. So one of my favorite primers is the Smoother by Estee Lauder. So I was excited to get a new one of these, and it's just mainly because this primer worked. If you haven't really gotten into primers and you really think that they are a joke, I mean, join the crowd, because I was convinced of that as well. But I've been recently converted. I love putting my makeup on after applying this primer because it does make the makeup just look smooth. Pro tip on how to apply a primer: it's going to be either first step in your makeup application or the last step in your skincare routine. So if you haven't really gotten into a full skincare routine, this should be the first thing that you apply to your face. You will absolutely love it. I did receive a brand new bottle of the Double Wear Nude foundation in the shade Honey Bronze. It is my winter color, so to speak. So it's brand new. I'm excited to get a new one of those. I did get 2 new eyeshadow palettes. These are powder eyeshadow palettes. Neither one of these are new, but they're new to my collection. And I want to share with you guys how this works. So inside the package you will see the inserts on how to create certain looks. So you get the Estee Lauder tutorials. You have the natural, intensified, and dramatic eye. And I'm going to show you, this one is provocative petal. So you're getting really, really light colors. So my girls that love those cool tones, you get that in provocative petal. And one of my favorite palettes by Estee Lauder is the Fiery Saffron. I'm actually wearing this palette right now. If you don't believe, like, it gets really pigmented. But what you'll see, you get 5 different shades. Again, you'll get the insert that shows you how to apply them. But Estee Lauder labels the products or shows you in sequence how to use them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, or however you like. But this is the one that I'm wearing right now. You can comment down below if you would like for me to recreate this eye look using this palette. So there you have some of the new products that I've received from Estee Lauder and that are also new and have not quite launched here in the US. Comment down below what was your favorite piece of the video. Let me know if you would like for me to start infusing this into any specific videos. If you want to see a new skincare routine, if you want to see this eye makeup look, make sure you comment down below. You guys know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all social media links to never miss another upload. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button and that bell to receive post notifications every time I upload, so you're not out of the loop. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.